If you want to connect a PS5 controller to your PC with Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to use your DualSense controller on Steam, whether you want the most reliable wired setup or a clean wireless Bluetooth connection. Steam has built-in support for the PS5 controller, so in many cases it can detect it automatically and unlock features like button mapping, haptic feedback, and adaptive triggers in supported games. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick PC gaming tutorials. Let's get started. First, I'll show you the wired method because this is the best option if you want the lowest input lag and the most stable connection. All you need is a good quality USB-C cable. Plug the USB-C end into your DualSense controller, then connect the other end to your PC. If your cable is USB-C to USB-A, that works too, as long as it supports data transfer, not just charging. Once you connect it, Windows 10 or Windows 11 should automatically detect the controller. In many cases, it will show up as either a wireless controller or a DualSense device. Now launch Steam. Steam should recognize the controller right away, and you may even see a notification in the bottom right corner saying that the DualSense controller configuration has loaded. That's Steam's way of telling you the controller is ready to use. At this point, you can open your game and test the buttons. If the game has Steam input support, the controller should work without any extra setup. If you want to make sure everything is configured correctly, you can also check Steam's controller settings. Open Steam, go to Settings, then select Controller. From there, make sure PlayStation controller support is enabled if you want Steam to manage the inputs for you. This is especially useful for games that need custom button mapping, or if you want to make sure the controller works properly in the Steam library and big picture mode. Next, let's go over the wireless Bluetooth method. This is the best choice if you want to play without cables. To start pairing, press and hold the PS button and the Create button at the same time on your DualSense controller. The Create button is the small button just to the left of the touchpad. Keep holding both buttons until the light bar around the touchpad starts flashing quickly. That flashing light means the controller is in pairing mode and ready to connect. Now go to your PC and open Settings. From there, click Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. Your computer will start scanning for nearby devices. When you see wireless controller appear in the list, click it to begin pairing. If Windows asks you to confirm or finish connecting, just approve it. Once the controller is paired successfully, the light bar on the DualSense should stop flashing and settle into a solid color. That means the connection is active. At this point, open Steam and let it detect the controller. In most cases, Steam will recognize it automatically and load the proper configuration. From there, you can launch a game and start playing wirelessly. If the controller does not show up right away, don't worry. Make sure your Bluetooth adapter is enabled, the controller is still in pairing mode, and you're close enough to the PC. Also, if your controller was previously connected to another device, you may need to disconnect it there first before pairing again. For the smoothest experience, use a controller firmware update if needed and keep Steam updated as well. So just to recap, the wired USB-C method is the most reliable and low latency option, while Bluetooth gives you the freedom to play wirelessly. Both methods are simple, and Steam makes the PS5 controller much easier to use on PC than most people expect. If this tutorial helped you connect your PS5 controller to your PC with Steam, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.